Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we've bought a little toy, Range Rover 4.4 litre V8. It's a salvage car. I'll see if I can go through and show you some of the things that are wrong with it, but it's a bit tight at the minute because we're in the garage. But yeah, we bought this car from down south, got it delivered to us the other day, and we're hoping to keep it for ourselves. That's the plan, at least. So the third car to our collection. But we've got a lot to do, to be fair. We've got a lot to do. Some things we knew about when we bought it, and other things have come a bit of a surprise. So without further ado, let's have a look around. Okay guys, so here's the front, and this we particularly liked. One of the reasons we bought it, because the seats are so good, as far as we can tell anyway. We haven't cleaned it yet, literally haven't done anything to it at all. We just put it in the garage to start cleaning it out. I mean, there's glass absolutely everywhere. So yeah, but all the leather seats are all in good condition, and we can't see any rips or tears anywhere on them, so that's really good. The wear is quite limited as well. Brilliant. Really dirty though, as you can see, lots of crap everywhere. Nice dark colour, wood or wood effect, whatever it is, inside. Yeah, around the back again. I'll open the back door in a second, but yeah, back seats are like pretty much new, really good. There you go, back door's open. So look at them guys. Really, really good. Really chuffed with the back seats. Absolutely mint. Really clean. No real rot that we can see. A little bit down here, a little bit here. Nothing, we can sort that out, no problem at all. But, yeah. I'll keep coming back to the video as we're cleaning it. Can't really show you too much at the front at the minute because we're pretty much right up against the garage wall. But yeah, the front bumper has been smashed on this side. There is some on the other side as well, and there's some mud on the front as well. So we're guessing it's gone out a ditch or something on the front end. But on the bonnet over that side, and we'll show you in a better in another shot. But yeah, the bonnet's creased over there. But perhaps the worst thing on this car, wait for it, is, well, one, the windscreen's gone. That's not an issue in itself, but the roof has took a hit there. I don't know if that's out of focus. See if we can get it in. The roof is has took a hit there, yeah, but the roof has got some more damage as well. Let's have a look. There's the worst bit there, guys. The roof has took a hit. It looks as though something's gone across the top of the car or something. I don't know. We're guessing of what's gone wrong, but it looks to me, I'm guessing something like an animal has hit the front of it or something here, hit the windscreen here, dented the roof just there, has gone across, and perhaps ended up sitting on the middle of the roof. I don't know. We're guessing. But we're going to have a go at see if we can push that roof out from inside with some shoes and socks off and see what that gives us back. But any ideas you've got how we can resolve that, our ears are open. You know, we didn't expect that. It wasn't described in the sale, and we never saw the car. We did take a bit of a gamble, but for what we paid for it, not really concerned, to be fair. We could break this car and make our money back very easily. But that's not the plan. We plan to get this right and keep it ourselves as a third car. So yeah, if you've got any ideas how we can resolve this roof, give us a shout. Put some comments in the comments below, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Yeah, I pulled some of the windscreen out now that was broken. Half the screen's left in. I will leave that in for a bit till we sort out what we're doing with it. But yeah, so I thought I'd give the wheels a bit of a clean, see what they come up like. and no surprises, they look pretty good. Tyres don't look too bad either actually. There you go, and one of the fronts as well. Hi guys, coming back to the car after we've had a little bit of a clean up. I don't know if you can see this, picture quality is a bit poor, a bit dark. We've just cleaned the inside of the car and get plenty of glass out, I can tell you. And the back seats are immaculate, look, absolutely immaculate. You can see that. There you go. Yep, and there's the fronts after a bit of a clean up and loads of glass removed. The mark there I can see. I think we're going to do something with this, recoat that or something, I don't know. We'll have a think about it. We've even got some servicing books with the car that were in the glove box, a bit of a bonus. Yeah, cool. Happy with that.